Let's see how to fix no service on iPhone. The first method. Now turn on airplane mode. Turn off airplane mode after a few seconds. If it doesn't solve your problem, go to the next method. The second method. You need to reset the network settings on your phone. The third method. Open your SIM card from your iPhone. Now you need to clean your SIM card with eraser. Now the network is available on your device. The fourth method. If your problem is still not resolved, you need to contact your network provider or contact your device's customer care. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and share.